Ah, the great vocabulary fill in the blank. This will be on the test. You will need to know this. Just give yourself a casual glance over this information. The formula for finding a slope between 2 points. This one is easy. We've got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope-intercept form of a line or a linear equation is y equal mx plus b. Notice in this formula we have a slope and an intercept. Oh my goodness, that matches the name. How crazy is that? Y minus y1 equals m. X minus x1. This is going to give us the point-slope form of a linear equation. Again, you need a point, you need a slope, matches up. Standard form, ax plus by equals c. Nobody likes standard form. Notice it has nothing to do with the name. So that's why no one likes standard form. Also, where a, b, and c are positive and whole numbers. Not positive whole numbers. A, b, and c are whole numbers. The fancy word for whole numbers, integers. Integers. Alright, and a, which is the number with x, is positive. So it must be in this form. You must have whole numbers, and x must be positive. That's what this definition is saying. Horizontal lines have no slope. Or you could say equal to 0. Vertical lines have an undefined slope. These are verticals. So the blank is the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. This is y-intercept. It intercepts y-axis. Parallel lines have the same slope. You could also, in this case, put equal slopes. Perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. I'm going to put opposite, and then in parentheses, negative reciprocal. I'm not sure if I spelled that right, but you guys understand what I'm doing. I'm going to give you an example, negative 3 over 2, and then 2 over 3, just to give an example. Determine the slope of the line that passes through each pair of points. This should be easy. If it looks easy, and you're like, man, this problem is really easy, do not try to make it harder. Don't think to yourself, oh, it can't possibly be this easy. It is that easy. The slope is 1, and you move on. The next one, I have 2 minus a negative 2 over negative 7 minus a negative 11. 4 over 4, 1. Alright, 24. Most dangerous problem possible. It's easy if you know what you're looking for. For number 24, we have our slope and our y-intercept. That's all we're looking for. Oh, check that out. I've got a number paired with x. That must be my slope. Check that out. I got a number all by itself. That must be my y-intercept. I'm all done. In this case, it works because we have already solved the equation for y. Number 25 is a dangerous problem. This is a dangerous problem. The reason it is not safe is because if you do this problem first, you will not be thinking when you attack this problem. Because you go, easy problem, slightly dangerous problem. You're not prepared. You must solve for y before you can identify these two items. Have to solve for y. If you put 4 and 10 down, we'll mark it wrong, smile to ourselves and go, they got caught by the dangerous problem. When you attack this problem, y must be solved for. So I'm going to take that 4x to the other side. Negative 2y is equal to negative 4x plus 10. Divide by negative 2 to solve for my y. Y is equal to 2x minus 5. Look at my numbers. They are much different now. You must solve for y before you attack those problems. They may be easy, but they are very dangerous for that very reason.